Exactly 5 years ago, I decided to make a decision that transformed not only my life, my household, and my family. And this brought you to my channel, Gladys TV Living Clutter Free. Guys, we are going to tour this house and you're going to see what 5 years of minimalism look like. I'm going to go through the beginning of the house, how we started decorating here, and you do not want to miss this. Stay tuned, guys. Let's do it. We are first home buyers, guys. When we first moved in the house, this is what the house looks like. The floor was full of carpet. The walls were full of items. And guys, this was my entryway. Can you believe it? There was no place to sit down to remove your shoes. Yes, there was the mirror, which was a great idea. But guys, it was not my style. It was what was happening around me, and I decided to go with it until I found that there was actually something that I truly love, which was the minimalist route. Now, this is exactly how my entryway looks like. We are able to be intentional. We have a bowl to put our keys in there, a little bit of decor, but it's not overwhelming. Yes, there's a mirror, but it's intentionally placed and you can still see yourself before you leave the house. And I just love the transformation from before to now. What do you guys think? Not only we have a place to put our keys when we come back home, however, we also have a little stool that we can sit and remove our shoes, and that is very practical for me. Truly, this living room makes me feel like crying, guys. Welcome to my living room, guys. My previous living room setup, it had no rhyme or reason to it. It was just done just because. I love the pieces. They could have been used for different places, not all at once. If this is the way you like to decorate now, no shame in your game, but that's no longer my style. I prefer peace. I prefer less things. I feel like my decor style has elevated now, and I am raising kids for the future. And I want them to leave this house without worrying about, what did I break? What did I not break? So this is exactly how the exact same living room looks like, and I'm so proud of myself, guys. For me, having the entertainment center with the little cutout cubbies and shelf, should I say, made me want to put something in there. And I'm so glad I took a courage and built this fireplace. I believe it was around 2022. And I love the fact that I do not have to put anything on that fireplace if I don't want to. I wanted a simple mantle. I don't want any type of cutout that will make me want to put something in it. So I'm so glad I was able to transform this to this. I don't know if you are still wondering if you should take the leap to become a minimalist. I'm here to be a living testimony, guys. My home had no storage. It had no space to keep the kids' shoes. It had no space for extra food. As you can see, my pantry right there by the garage door, it's very small, and I had no organization whatsoever, just decoration. And I decided to transform that from this to this. So we started with the IKEA shoe organization. However, these did not last very long. The hinges inside broke, so we had to change it, but that's okay. I really loved how it looked like, but we had to change it for something that was more practical, and this is it. We just put extra snack in there, and I love the simplicity of this. Love it. Guys, this was my kitchen view, and it was, take my word for it, it was clutter, full of clutter. For you, it might not be clutter, but for me, it was extra things I did not need. For me, in my book, it's clutter. From this kitchen to this kitchen now, and I'm in love. I'm truly glad I have video for this, guys. So when I speak about minimalism, I know just a little bit of what I am talking about. When I talk about less clutter or no clutter at all, I know these are the things on the table. It was very practical. My knife cutting board, my oil, fruit basket here and there. But guys, these are not things I use every day. And the things I use every day are hidden, place somewhere for the eyes to not see it again. And I just love how I transformed this kitchen. It's not only practical, but this brings peace to us, and we love the transformation. As I mentioned previously, I literally had no storage space in this house, and I needed to create something that will be very practical for us, but also I can put my decorations here and there for the holidays, for, every day, should I say. And this is how we transform this side of the living room. So yes, 5 years of minimalism has truly transformed my life. I am more intentional with the things I purchase and bring in my home. Knickknacks is no longer what I want to do. Guys, if you want to see more, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. We are actually going to do upstairs. So yeah, if you want to see part 2 of this, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Go ahead and share this to your friends and family. And moreover, guys, I have so many videos talking about what you shouldn't buy, what you shouldn't bring into your house that will be clutter, and how to save money as a minimalist. I am your go-to girl. I want to truly help you guys to let you know that minimalism, it is doable. It does not have to be boring. I am a living testimony of it. I love my simple home. It is not big, it's not fancy, but this is exactly how I want it to look like. And I thank you guys for watching. God bless you guys. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Take care. Bye-bye, guys.